Hello there, welcome back to the channel, and today I've had an heads up off my friend Andy, and he's told me about this poppy field, white and purple poppies. So I've come out to try and find it, and I was hoping to try and get a nice dark moody sky behind it, which we have over there. So join me shortly and we will go and explore these poppies. So just look at all this. The majority of them have gone over. We have seed pods everywhere. So it's a shame I didn't hear about this probably 2 or 3 weeks ago. But the poppies are actually facing the wrong way as well for me. So I'm going to have a little walk up the track here, and I'll probably shoot backwards. We have still got a nice sky looking back over that way. We have clear in the distance that way, which is what I wanted with that dark moody sky. But not to worry, not to worry. I'm going to sort the composition out. I've just heard there is another field farther on by the farm shop, so I'll have a ride there shortly as well when I'm finished in here. But yeah, these have mainly gone over now, so I will get a couple of photographs while I'm here, and maybe next year. It is a crop for cooking, for your bagels and stuff, food seed. So I think it is the farm shop down there that's planted it all. So it could be good for next year. I'll make a note of this and maybe come back next year, see if they're here again. But yeah, join me in a minute. I'll try and find a composition, try and find some of these flowers. They look absolutely beautiful, they do. They are closed up. No doubt it's the rain that's just closed them up. But there's a couple still open. I'm going to try and photograph a couple that are open now. So yeah, I'll talk you through a composition when I find one. So my first shot is we're looking out towards Clee Hill, which is over there, and we've got this beautiful dark sky. It looks amazing, it does. Poppies in the foreground. I really wish I could have caught these a few weeks back. It looks fantastic here. The settings for this, ISO 100. I'm shooting at f11. I am going to do a focus stack, literally down here on the poppies there, and then in the background, I should say, round about Clee Hill. And I will just merge these together, and I'll put this shot on for you right now to have a look at. Drop me a comment below, tell me your thoughts on it. So as you can see, the wind is picking up now. We have a storm coming towards us. It is getting black. My phone, I've got a lightning app on my phone, and it is crackling away. There is lightning and thunder literally just down here. So there's not much to photograph here, to be honest. Let me just show you this. The flowers, as you can see, have all got big pods in. It is pretty much, they have all gone over. So although it looks beautiful, these flowers, this would have looked incredible literally sort of 3-4 weeks ago. It would have been amazing, this. But not to worry, at least I can remember this for next year. So that's what I'm hoping for. I was hoping Clee Hill was going to light up with a bit of sun. The sun is trying to break through. I'm loving the dark clouds this way. just loving them, absolutely amazing. It's getting blacker and blacker over towards clear as well. I've been looking for a little clump that I can take together, and I just can't find any. They have just gone that little bit too far, I think. So I'm just going to take a couple of quick shots in here. I'll put a couple of photos on now for you, and I'm going to have a drive up and so we can find the other field and see what they look like. The thing to remember with these as well, although the actual flowers are what people look at, try also looking at the seed pods. You can get amazing images just with these seed pods. They look fantastic, especially if you can close your aperture down, something like f2.8 I've got today, and focus on one and get others in the background blurred out as well. They look amazing, they do. I just feel a couple of spots of rain hitting me now, so I am going to pack up here and I'm going to head down so I can find this other field. Maybe I have to wait for the rain to stop. But yeah, we'll have a little look down there and join me there. And here is the other field. As you can see, absolutely beautiful. It's a little bit thin here where I've parked and I've just come down, but it is quite thick. Just as we walk up here a little bit, I'm going to have a little walk up and see if we can get a couple of shots here. Again, they have pretty much gone over. So, what would I have given for this about a month ago? Oh man, these look absolutely stunning, absolutely stunning. There's, I've just seen one here where the petals are just coming off the bud. Just give me a second, I'll set the camera up and I'll just show you on the back of the camera. So for this shot, I'm loving the way there's just 2 petals left and you've got the bud just showing. I'm going to shoot this at f2.8 just to get maximum blur behind. Just going to drop the ISO back down to 100. I've got 1,000th of a second. There's a bit of a breeze, so as the breeze stops, I'll focus on it. And because we're on 800th of a second, nearly 1,000 now, so it will freeze the action, any movement. It looks beautiful, just stunning. Just look at that for a sky, absolutely incredible. I've got rain hitting me in the face now, but I've just got to get a photograph of that fantastic black cloud. It looks incredible. The rain is coming just here. It looks like there's a band there and a band there, rain. But that dark cloud, that just looks just menacing. So I'm going to try and get a couple of quick snaps here and then I'm going to be off. The rain is coming, it's hitting me now. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, check the description below. Subscribe, we'll do it all again next week. I've been told there are burridge flowers a little bit farther up the road, so I want to have a look so I can find them, the little star-shaped blue things. I'll see if I can find them now, and I'll put them on a different video, but I've got to be quick. I want a couple of quick snaps of this. I'll put the photos on for you now. Till next time, take it easy.